G'day everyone, how you going? Welcome to the tutorial for Blue Eyes by Jordy Maxwell. I've seen the name pop up a few times in the requests, so I figured I think it's his most popular song maybe, or at least it is on YouTube, so I figured we'll do that song first and then maybe another one sometime in the future. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any tutorial requests, just leave a comment down below. Let's get into the video, eh? Alright, so we're in standard tuning with a capo on the 4th fret. And the verses sound like this. So, that is an E minor, a G, but it's just the top part of the G, so I'll tab this in the corner, or one of them, I'm not sure which one yet, but I'll make sure that there's a tab for this. The G, then it's kind of like an A over G, but basically middle finger on the 4th fret relative to the capo, on the D string, and then on the 5th fret of the E and A strings. And then you take the same shape that you just made, slide it back to 2 and 3. So if you can nail the chords, they're the only chords in the song too. The chorus uses the exact same chords. So it's just the E minor, a G, an A/G, and then a GC. So that's the chords. Picking pattern. Took me a little bit to get my head around, but relatively simple overall. It's a So it's basically palm muting, up, down, 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 up, down. On that last down, you actually stop palm muting, so it's like. So it follows that sort of and obviously you progress that up to speed so that it's like a So that's the verses. Then the chorus, exact same chord progression. It's just the picking pattern's slightly different. And it goes like, she had oceans in her head, stars in her eyes, sun-drenched soft sea, beneath her toes, and I know she's never coming home. So that's what the chorus sounds like. The picking pattern for that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, So yeah, once you've got the picking pattern and the chord progression, pretty easy song, I must say. So thank you to I think it was Kevin McDougall that's been requesting some Jordy Maxwell. So thanks for watching, Kev. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate all the support that I've been getting from everyone. It means a lot to me. So just make sure you like this video, subscribe, help me out in every way possible. Also, check out my second channel. I make vlogs and stuff over on that, which I enjoy making those videos as much as these. So yeah, go and check that out as well. Thanks for watching.